Talking about module 1, that is mathematical model of the physical system. In there you are discussing about this rotational system or mechanical rotational system. The last previous class we are discussing about this mechanical translation system, that is the element of mass of the body, that linear spring, then damper or dash point. Similarly, we are discussing about this in this slide also. We are discussing about mechanical rotational system. In there, the moment of inertia and torsional spring. Another is damper or dash point. Now we are discussing about mechanical rotational system. The mechanical rotational systems are those which motion is about fixed axis. The Newton's law of motion for rotational system stated that the algebraical sum of moment or torque about a fixed axis is equal to product of inertia and angular acceleration about the axis. Therefore, this the mechanical rotation summation of torque, that is equal to J into alpha of t, where J is the moment of inertia, there where alpha t is angular acceleration, that is in terms of angular velocity, J into d omega by dt, that is equal to J into d square d square theta by dt square, where theta is in terms of angular displacement and omega is the angular velocity and then alpha t is the angular acceleration. Okay. Next, I want to discussion about this mechanical rotation systems model by three ideal element, that is inertia, torsional spring and then damper. The inertia, the moment of inertia, it is considered as the properties of element that store the kinetic energy of the rotational motion. Okay. Now inertia of this given element, it is depending upon geometrically composition about the axis of the rotation and its density. One end of the inertia element is always connected to ground. Okay. Next is second one is torsional spring. As linear spring for the translation motion, then torsional spring, the constant k can be devised to represent it, that is the compliance of the rod or soft. Okay, when it is subjected to apply to the torque. That is third one, that is the friction. This is three type of friction for the rotational system, is already discussion about in the translation system. Same here also, Coulomb friction, viscous friction, another stick, the same as translation system. The out of this viscous and friction dominate one, this element it is represented by dash point. This slide we are discussing about the basic element of rotational mechanical system. That is the first one is the moment of inertia, that will show in the like a symbol, that is J, and this is the direction of torque or angular displacement of the in the element, and this is the below they are given that is torque equation. The T is equal to J into double derivative of theta, nothing but a J double derivative of theta means, then you have to write theta double derivative, that is equal to d square by t divided by dt, d square theta by dt square. Okay. Okay, this is another element of the rotational mechanical system, that is the rotational spring or torsional spring. They are given in the K, and this is the like a symbol for this spring, and one end is theta 1, other one end is theta 2. That is the theta 1 is the angular displacement from the right side of the spring, and then left side of the spring is theta 2, and here that is T, that is the external torque can be applied on the this element. Therefore, we have to write equation T equal to K time of theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, this is the equation, and this figure you are shown in the this is the uh, how their rotational spring is available in mechanical system. These are all real in the spring by using any doors, locker, anywhere you are used for this. Okay. Next is another is the rotational mechanical system, that is rotational damper or dashpot. Okay. And here this is the part of rotational mechanical system, and this is dash point. It is also symbol, and here we are see the constant friction, there theta 1 and theta, and this is also angular displacement, and this is torque is external torque. Therefore T is equal to either C or F also we can write, where C is the coefficient of friction, and this is the theta dot minus theta dot 2, because theta dot 1 and theta 2 dot difference, that where theta 1 is directly proportional to velocity. Therefore we have to write that T torque is directly proportional to what? Omega 1, omega, because angular velocity. And this is, in this slide we are discussing about rotational element, then corresponding the equation of motion as shown in the figure. The first one is the inertia element, and this is the J, that is the moment of inertia. Then it is the clockwise direction of angular velocity and angular displacement. This is the external torque. The other end of moment of inertia is reference, that is ground. Okay. Then you have to write the equation of motion, T equal to J into d omega by dt, that is equal to J into d square theta by dt square. Then similarly the torsional spring element, there are two clockwise direction, from one end is theta 2, other end is theta 1. Then omega 1 and omega 2 are angular velocity, then external torque of T. Okay. And this equation also we can write T is equal to K time of theta 1 minus theta 2, that is equal to K theta. But in terms of angular velocity, then K equal to integration of initial T equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 into dt, or nothing but omega t, K into integration of omega t. Okay. Both are equal, because here we show this angular displacement and this is angular velocity. Then here also same, it is angular velocity, it is angular displacement. This is third one, that is the damper element. Also this is F is the coefficient of friction, and here one end is clockwise direction, the angular displacement is theta 2, other end is theta 1, and this is external torque. Therefore the torque equal to F time of omega 1 minus omega 2, or omega F into omega. Therefore torque is directly proportional to angular velocity. Therefore in terms of angular displacement, then you write omega 1, this is the rate of change of angular displacement equal to angular velocity. Therefore F into d theta by theta 1 minus theta 2. This is difference, because the difference is why you put difference. This is the difference between the starting of the angular displacement and the end of the angular displacement is difference, that is the angular displacement between the theta 1 and theta 2. Okay. Now the unit of theta 1 is in terms of radian, that angular displacement radians per second, J is the kg meter square, torque newtons per meter, then K is the torsional spring constant, that is the stiffness, that is N newtons per meter per second, then coefficient of friction newtons per meter per radian per second. This is the rotational system. This is one of the example of the rotational system. We'll consider mechanical rotational system as shown in the figure, which is consist of rotatable disc. This is rotatable disc, that is moment of inertia J, and soft stiffness K, that is the soft, and one end is connected to ground or one wall. And here the disc rotate in the viscous medium, that is the friction coefficient F here. Okay. Now from this diagram, very simple diagram, to draw the free body diagram. Yes, free body diagram, how we will draw that? This is the J, that's the square block J will write. Then here external torque will apply for clockwise direction, because the direction is given same thing, that is clockwise direction. Then angular displacement also same direction, because about the torque is directly applied to the about the fixed axis. Therefore, the T angular displacement angle side is only fixed axis. Okay. And this another is, it is torque is clockwise direction, then anti-clockwise direction the reaction, that is the force, that is reaction by what, that soft is there, another is the viscous friction. That soft is what is the K time of theta, then this is viscous friction fluid, that is the F into d theta by dt. These two action, and this is can be written as in a mechanical network, that is mechanical network. That theta 1 is node, omega also, and this theta is the node, and this is connected to J, then it is J is connected to parallel to torque, the torque is parallel to J, then it is again is parallel to connected to, that is the friction, while rotating the disc, that is a surface, that is a fluid, viscous fluid medium, that is this is the below surface. Then it is connected to what, that is soft, that is called as spring, that is a torsional spring, that is a soft stiffness, that is K. This is connected to ground. All this should be connected to ground. Okay. This 2.3 is given only one inertia element, then external torque acting moving it's by angle theta with angular velocity omega. This angular motion is opposite by torque, that is component, that is J into d square by theta divided by dt square. Another is torque component due to damper, due to spring. The due to damper means what is that, F into d theta, then due to spring, that is K time of theta. Okay. Now this T can be external force is applied to the moment of inertia, then it is being to opposite these two equations. Therefore, then I write this equation, T minus F into theta dot minus K time of theta, or this equal to, again I will write this below, T minus F into d theta by dt minus K time of theta, that is equal to J into d square theta by dt square. This is the example of 2.16, write the differential equation of mechanical system, and this is one of the example of rotational mechanical system. There are two moment of inertia, that is J1 and J2. In between the torsional spring they are connecting, and one end of the soft connected to the moment of inertia, other soft is connected to end of the other J2 moment of inertia. Then this is end of the between the moment of inertia to the that is the damper, that is will be connected to this end. After the end of the damper, this is drawn. Okay, the theta 1 is applied angular displacement, then theta is the output angular displacement of the other soft. Okay, now we will corresponding the mechanical rotation system as shown in the figure. Now one end of this to be grounded, and one end of the torque source also be connected. Mechanical system, the torque, the theta 1 and theta, the theta 1 is one end of the node, the theta is another node. The theta 1 is the angular displacement of soft on input side, where theta is angular displacement of soft output side. This is the node, and this node between, that is the torsional spring, where theta 1 is the angular displacement, theta 1 is connected to one end is connected to moment of inertia J1, other end is connected to ground. Then one end of the torque is connected to theta 1, other end is connected to source will be ground. Then similarly the output side, that is theta is directly connected to moment of inertia J2, and the other end is connected to, that is the damper element, that is F. This is the mechanical network. And here free body diagram, this is very simple free body diagram. There are small square box, that is J1, that is shown in the left side is the soft, the right side also soft, that is the spring, and here right clockwise direction T of T and theta 1, this is called clockwise direction. Then anti-clockwise direction, that is the spring opposite, the k time of theta 1 minus theta. The similarly the moment of inertia J2 also, that body of this square box, then it is connected to soft, one end is soft, other end is output angular displacement, and here the clockwise direction, and this is the k time of theta minus theta 1. This is the anti-clockwise direction, that is the end of the damper element, that is F into d theta by. Now we will write the differential equation from mechanical system. There T equal to J1 into d square theta 1 by dt plus k time of theta 1 minus theta 2. From this free body diagram of first diagram, another is second free body diagram J2, that theta is because external torque is applied for this moment of inertia of J1, and another moment of inertia J is equal to 0, J2 into d square theta by dt square plus F into d theta by dt plus k time of theta minus theta 1. This is the in terms of angular displacement. Similarly, we have to write this differential equation in terms of angular velocity. This is the t equal to J1 into d omega 1 divided by dt plus k time of integration of omega 1 minus omega dt. This is in terms of angular velocity. So similarly, another equation 0 equal to J2 d omega by dt plus F into omega, then plus k time of integration of omega minus omega 1 into dt. This is in terms of angular displacement. Next, I will do the explanation about this electrical system. In electrical system, they are having three element, basic element of the electrical circuit. That is, one is the resistor, inductors, and capacitor. And these circuits are analyzed by the application of Kirchhoff voltage and current law. Okay, that is KVL and KCL. Out of these three elements, the inductors and capacitors are energy storage element. Then the resistor, this is the element of the resistor. This is model of resistor shown in the figure. Then mathematical model is given by Ohm's law. Then V equal to I into RT, I equal to V by R. Then similarly, inductance, there is circuit representation of their given, that is the two node between I of t into inductor, then apply to V. The model of relative V into L into di by dt, the voltage in terms of. Same thing you can write in terms of current, I of t equal to 1 divided by L, that is integration of V of t. Then integration of V of t, also known as flux leakage psi. Therefore I of similarly the capacitor, the model of capacitor circuit, then I of t is directly connected to capacitor, the V of t is voltage, this is symbol, then V of t equal to 1 divided by C into integration of I of t. Therefore in terms of I of t is equal to C into dV by dt. But where integration of I of t is also known as charge of the capacitor, Q, it is denoted by Q. The Q equal to integration of I of t, that is equal to V of t is equal to Q time of Q of t divided by C. Okay, same mathematical model of electrical system is obtained by resistor, capacitor. These all three element, voltage across element, the current through element, that is I of t, that is in terms of V of t into Ri, I into V. Similarly, inductance also V of t into L into di by dt, then I equal to 1 divided by L into integration of V of t. Then same thing capacitor, then V of t equal to 1 by C into integration I of t, then I of t equal to C into, okay. Now here one example for electrical system. To write the differential equation of electrical system, they are having two type of electric system, that is RL series circuit, another is RL parallel circuit. Okay, the voltage source E, L and R, and this is capacitor. The current flowing through commonly I, then it is output voltage E naught. The same thing, current source I of t, the parallel is connected to L, R and C, that is the parallel RLC circuit. Now we are consider RLC series circuit. They have shown the equation can be described by the system in terms of law, current in terms of current. Therefore, you have to write by equation, that is the first element, that is in terms of current means L into di by dt plus R into IT plus 1 divided by C into integration of I of t, that is equal to E. E is the voltage source. Okay, this is another equation, output equation, that is E naught equal to 1 by C into integration of I of dt. This is the same in terms of charge, Q equal to integration of I of t. That equation can be written in terms of this first equation, can be written as in terms of electrical charge, then L into d square q by dt square plus R into dq by dt plus 1 by C into q, that is equal to E. This is the output equation of the E equal to Q. This is the next. Similarly, you can write RLC parallel circuit is shown in this. This is also voltage in terms of voltage, that is the Kirchhoff current law. Then you have to write C into dE by dt plus E divided by R plus 1 divided by L, then integration of 0 to E of t equal to I. This is I of t. And this same in terms of magnetic flux phi, integration of E of t, that also you can write C into d square pi by dt plus 1 divided by R into d pi by dt, and then 1 divided by L into pi, that is equal to I.